Hi, you guys. So we're playing the obby, the flood obby. No, they die. No, yeah, I died. Okay, I freaking suck, but I'm giving it all I got. I was trying to get on one of the houses, but it was kind of hard, you know. So I am going to try the next one, see if I could do it. It. Okay, I do not want the banana. I don't even know what the banana's for. Anywho, okay, so only like those three people. Congratulations. Congratulations. Oh, playground. I definitely know where to go to that. Just have to get there. It's definitely that. It's that. Or it could be that. This. It could be this toppy top. I don't know. That, I feel like that one's gonna fall. If I'm being real. Oh, here it comes. Is this one high enough? Yeah. Yeah, mine's high enough. I just feel like this one's gonna be good than the other one because the other one looks like it's gonna fall. Okay. I think ours is good. Yeah, it's pretty much good. Oh snap. That's timbling. That means that one's gonna timble. Oh! All of us, congratulations! Let's have a congratulations party. Okay, 2, 1, 0. Okay, I don't even know what that is. Research area. It's pretty random. Oh, I landed on a house. Doy. So I magically landed on this house. I feel like I should get on that one, but the waves are coming. Man, the wave's coming! Why do you just like jump right on it? I hope that this is gonna stay. Oh my gosh, look at the water already. Oh, please, let's stay. Please, let's see. This structure is like completely underwater, so I don't know. I cannot jump because that looks dangerous. That guy's house is. This is going good. Okay, all 3 of us, I think, no, 4 of us. Congratulations. Let's all say congratulations. Congratulations. 2 girls and 2 boys. Ah. Oh, a hotel. The top floor. Definitely the top floor. Or like something. Oh, definitely not that. Not that. Is there even, like, can you even go upstairs? Oh, the wire's coming. The wire's gonna come. Okay, I'm just gonna go over here where everybody else is. Randomly, I don't want to be there. Get bigger what this guy is. Ooh, that looks steady. That looks too steady. I feel like I could jump. I don't think this is the right structure, you guys. I think it's still under structure. Gonna jump. I'm not gonna jump. Oh, all 4 of us. Congratulations. Congratulations. Let's all say congratulations. Congratulations. Now I feel stupid saying that. Egypt. It's the top of the tower of the, you know, thing. Woo. It's definitely this toppy top. Or another suggestion is probably like right up here. I'm gonna say right here. I feel like that one's gonna fall. Oh my gosh, I like barely even made it. Look how much space I have. I feel like, oh yeah, it's breaking, look. It's breaking. See? It's breaking. Oh, they're gonna all fall. Oh no. That guy's about to fall. I think he's dead. Is he? Yeah, he's dead. Okay, those 2 are definitely gonna die. Because there's like a hole in the middle of it. Oh, no. All 4 of us. Congratulations. Congratulations. It's just me and her. I'm gonna like friend her. friend her. Regno Tower. What? Okay, I'm gonna go with this girl. I'm gonna go. Help! 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 Oh my gosh, I'm like terrible. Ugh. Freak. Barely even made it. Snap. I feel like this one's gonna fall. Is ours gonna fall? No, ours is not gonna fall. I think theirs is gonna fall. Well, one of these had to fall down. I don't think it's ours. Oh snap! Did you see that? It just like fell. That girl only knows what's gonna happen. It's gonna fall. Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of us. Let's all say congratulations, congratulations. Yeah, there's like 5 of us. I like this little lake. Oh, what this is? I think it's mud. Western. Move around. Woo! This one? Let's say. Like at the top. Right here. The Bong girl. I don't know what her name is. Cupcake something. I don't know. She had smart ideas. Oh, I made it. I didn't even know that one was gonna stay, so just jumped in here. Okay, so let's friend her. Cuphead fan. Yeah. Friend her. Friend you. We have friend you. Oh, I'm just kidding. We're not gonna friend any boys. Oh no, she like died. Snap. Oh, she's my new friend. Both of us won. Congratulations. 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 You hear me? Oh my god, that color looks weird. Camp. Walk around, walk around, walk around. Oh, walk around, walk around. Oh my gosh, I fell like really, really hard. That must hurt. Oh, these two are connected. That's smart to do that. Freak. No, I died. Because of that man, like, bro. He knocked me off. Okay, which one is gonna fall? Let's just look. I don't think any of these are gonna fall. Oh, those two are gonna fall. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. Congratulations, you 4 and 5, 6. Yep, there's 6 of us. Wasteland. I don't know what's gonna be at the wasteland. Yep, what's gonna be here? Nothing, except for like these bars and stuff. Do 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 do. Boop beep. Where'd that girl go? Where's Cuphead fan? Where's Cup? Where's Cup? Oh, she's right here. Oh, she was. Oh, she's right there. Okay, let's skip there with her. Yeah. Oh, snap. We're all underwater. I have failed my country. Failed. Oh, I should be like right there where that stuff was. Wow. Like I should have been right there, but I can't. Cuphead survived. Congratulations, Cuphead. You're my friend. She's my friend. She's my oh, I'm on my bubble. That's cool. Map chosen. Old school. We're going old school, bro. Old school. Old school, bro. Old school. Okay. Boop. 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 I don't know how to get on the roof of mine, but can you just hold up? Please don't fall. Ooh, that's pretty high. I think this thing is moving. I think it's holding up. It's holding up. Well, my battery's dying a little bit. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, I think this is enough of this. I will see y'all in part 2 of this. See ya later. Bye.